Hi guys, it's been a while. This is LJ.
And Brian.
And this is LJ and Brian's Adventures. Today, what we are going to do is animal sounds in Filipino and in English. So we have here a list of animals that I have prepared. And we're just going to pick one and make the sound. So go ahead.
Sure.
What's that?
It says cat.
Okay. Go ahead, you first.
Meow.
Okay. Yeah, it's the same. It's
Meow.
meow.
Or meow.
Oh.
Meow.
Okay, so ours, it's like meow, meow, like that. Okay, next.
It's the same.
Okay, we have dog. Okay, so you first.
Woof.
Is
Woof.
there any other?
Bark. Bark.
Is that what it is? Really? Okay. Ours is oh, 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 oh.
Never heard a dog make that sound before.
Yeah, it's oh, 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 oh.
Nope.
No.
What do we got?
Okay.
It says a rooster.
Okay.
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Ours is tick
Bird.
Oh, bird, okay.
Mine goes tweet, tweet, tweet.
Ah, yeah, it's the
Tweety,
same.
tweet.
It's the same. Ours is also tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, 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 tweet. Yeah.
Tweet. A carabao.
Mm-hmm.
We don't have carabao, so they don't make any sounds here.
Okay, so
If I had to imagine what a carabao
Mhm.
would sound like, it would be like a
it's in the Philippines it's unga like that. Unga. Yeah. Unga. Unga.
Frog.
Mm-hmm.
Ribbit. Ribbit.
Ah. In the Philippines it's kokak, 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 kokak.
Ribbit. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
A turkey. Do you have turkeys?
Pabo, yeah, we call that pabo.
Okay, what's a pabo sound like? Okay. Here it's gobble, 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 gobble.
And that's what it really sounds like.
Yeah, gobble, gobble.
Really?
Gobble, gobble.
That's what it's saying?
You didn't write pig.
Oh, yeah, pig. We don't have it on the list, but he wants to add it, so go ahead.
Oink, oink, oink.
Yeah, it's the same.
Oink.
Oink, oink. Yeah.
Okay, that's why you didn't add it.
Yeah.
How about a cow? You didn't write cow either.
Yeah, it's the same.
Moo.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is horse.
Mm-hmm.
And you go, nay.
Yeah.
Nay.
I'm not sure, but I think it's yeah, tig 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 tig. Yeah, tig 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 tig. Yeah, tig 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 tig.
Is there any other animals we forgot?
I don't know. Yeah, probably. But that is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy this video when I uploaded it. Have a good day. Bye.
In the future.
Till our next video, this is LJ and this is Brian. LJ and Brian's Adventures. Bye! Hi guys, it's been a while and this
Hey guys.
Let's do this again. Hey guys, it's been a while. This is LJ.
Yeah, she's right.
Your name, you have to say your name again.